Ready to launch your dream website today without writing a single line of code? First, head over to Strikingly.com and sign up for a free account. The Sign Up button is prominently displayed in the upper right corner. Once you're in, browse through their stunning collection of pre-designed templates. Choose one that aligns with your brand or business needs. Now the fun begins. You can effortlessly customize everything to match your style. Click on any section to edit text, change images, or adjust the layout. Add new sections with just a few clicks. Explore Strikingly's built-in features to incorporate elements like image galleries, blog posts, or contact forms. Ensure your website looks perfect on all devices by using the mobile preview option. This guarantees a seamless experience for every visitor. Fine-tune your website settings for optimal performance. Connect a custom domain optimized for search engines and integrate your social media accounts. Finally, click Publish to make your website live for the world to see. Congratulations! You've successfully built a website with Strikingly.